NS graduates and those who are already in the profession to know that we see you, we value you, we appreciate you. We thank all our male nurses for playing an increasingly crucial role, not just within the healthcare setting, but in breaking down long-standing barriers that men face when it comes to seeking medical help. As we all know, many men tend to be hesitant when it comes to visiting healthcare facilities. This is often due to fear, pride, or cultural pressures. But your presence in this field is what will help change these mindsets. We believe that by being on the front line, our male nurses have the opportunity to create a space where men in general can feel more encouraged to seek medical care, knowing they'll be better understood and cared for. The time has come for men to realize that it's not only okay to be, but vital to take care of their health, to ask for help, and to be vulnerable when necessary. It is certainly not a sign of weakness. We also acknowledge all the young men who have heeded the call we made in the past 2 years that more men need to enter the nursing profession. We have seen an increase in the number of applications, and we appreciate that. However, many of them, when they apply, they tend not to meet the requirements, which means whatever subjects they did at school were not sufficient. So we need to start appreciating or encouraging males from that level to focus in this beautiful profession of ours.